How do teens apply for college financial aid like FAFSA? Imagine getting ready for college and wondering how to pay for it. One of the most important steps is applying for financial aid, and the main form used is called the free application for federal student aid. Let's walk through how teens can do this step by step. First, you need to create an account on studentaid.gov and get an FSA ID. This is a special username and password that you and your parent will use to sign the FAFSA form electronically. Make sure each of you has your own FSA ID and keep them safe. Next, gather all the documents you will need. This includes your social security number, your parents' social security numbers if you are a dependent student, your federal income tax returns, W-2 forms, and records of any untaxed income. Having these ready makes filling out the form quicker and more accurate. Now, go to the official FAFSA website and click on Start New FAFSA. Log in with your FSA ID and select Student when asked who is filling out the form. Carefully review your personal information to avoid mistakes. The form will ask questions to determine if you are a dependent or independent student. Most teenagers are dependent, so you will need to include your parents' financial details. Be honest with your answers because they affect what information you need to provide. Then, you can list up to 10 colleges where you want your FAFSA information sent. These schools will use your data to prepare your financial aid offers. If you apply to more than 10, you can update your list later. When entering your financial details, you can choose to import your tax information directly from the IRS using the IRS data retrieval tool. This helps reduce errors and speeds up the process. You and your parents will provide income and tax information either by importing or manually entering it. After completing the form, both you and your parent, must sign it electronically with your FSA IDs. Once signed, submit the FAFSA. You will get a confirmation email once it's processed. After submission, you will receive a student aid report that summarizes your information. Review it carefully to catch any mistakes and correct them if needed. The colleges you listed will then review your FAFSA data to determine your eligibility for aid. Once you are accepted to a school, you will receive financial aid award letters showing what kind of help you qualify for. Remember to start your FAFSA as soon as possible after October 1st of your senior year because some aid is awarded on a first-come, first-served basis. It's helpful to fill out the form with a parent, school counselor, or trusted adult if you need help understanding any questions. Keep track of deadlines for both FAFSA and each college's financial aid application. And always remember, filling out the FAFSA is free. Be cautious of websites that ask for money to submit it. Even if your family thinks they make too much money, it's still worth applying because some aid is based on other factors or is available to all students. By following these steps and preparing your documents early, you can confidently apply for financial aid and take a big step toward making college more affordable.